Are you a teenager or a student who is struggling to find out what must be the right path for you to build your career? Well, I think this is the video for you in that case. I think you are very lucky because you're not like the majority of the teenagers or students who are working towards getting a degree and going to a job, or even for that matter, worst case scenario. Let's consider this worst case scenario, right? Wherein they take loans to earn their masters and then find a job to repay that loan for their lifetime. This is not the way of earning money at all, right? And in any case, if you are trying to do that and if you feel that's the right path, let me stop you. Don't do that. At least hear me out. At least hear the perspectives. I'm only sharing things that I've learned from my mentors, and after a lot of experience and after a lot of struggle, I've realized that this is the right way of making money for your long term, right? So if you are in any chance, in by any way, trying to follow the norm by getting a job, by trading your time for money, let me tell you, that's not going to take you far, okay? Trading your time is the worst way of making money. But at least when you get started, I understand that you need some experience for you to take that experience and build into something new of your own, and you need some experience and expertise. So if you're going into a job to the corporate with an entrepreneurial mindset, then it's fine, but don't ever get into the corporate with an employee mindset. You won't get far, right? You will just start competing with others who have the similar skill sets and juggle and struggle throughout your life without making big in your life. So what you must be doing? What are the things that you can do? Are these the questions that you have in your mind? Well, let me answer those questions for you, right? Now, having said that, if you already know what you're passionate about, what your passion is, I think you should start working on improving your skills of your passion area, because that is what is going to be leading you to your destination, right? So if you're passionate about sports, start putting more time, start investing yourself in that area. If you're passionate about dancing, start investing yourself in that area, because that is what your heart wants to do, right? But if you're not clear about what you want to do, then I think you need to follow these steps, follow these skills, and you need to start developing your skill set on these areas, right? So the first skill that you need to start developing yourself on is YouTube. YouTube is a great platform. It has low investment and it has great ROI. It also can be a start for you to learn some basic skills like video editing, video making, speaking, connecting with the audience, trying to add some value through your passion and things like that. So you can start with YouTube. You can be a YouTuber, and it has great ROI, as I mentioned earlier. The second skill that you could develop is digital marketing. Internet is the world right now. The whole world is selling and buying through internet. Now imagine if you have a way of attracting traffic, if you have a way of showing people how to buy and sell products or services. It can be done, by the way, through lead generation strategies, through funnel building strategies, through FB ads, through Instagram influence. There are many ways of adding influence on the internet. And entrepreneurs and business owners, business tycoons are shelling money out to attract traffic. And if you build yourself on these skills, you can earn a lot of money by providing a lot of value to these entrepreneurs and business owners. So if you are a person who is not sure about what you're passionate about, and if you don't know what you need to be doing, start with this. I'm sure you have been spending a lot of time on social media. You've been spending a lot of time on Instagram, clicking photos, chatting with your friends on Facebook and things like that. Start developing your skill on these areas and start adding value by not only consuming the services but also trying to be of value to others, and it is also going to be helping you generate a lot of income for yourself, right? The third thing is copywriting. Now, what is copywriting? Copywriting is nothing but salesmanship in words. That is trying to sell everything through words. Your words have the power. Crafting your design, crafting your FB ads, crafting your sales pitch. Everything is done through words. Now, if you are able to attract traffic through your words, then that has the potential of getting you a lot of revenue, a lot of income as well. And that is what is called copywriting, right? It is also a means of attracting traffic by using your power words. So start developing yourself in this skill so that you can stack all of it up and do something great with all the skills that you have in the long term, right? The fourth highly paid skill is consulting skills. Now let's say you're good at you've learned copywriting, you know how to create videos, how to edit videos, how to be marketing through FB ads, sales funnel strategy, lead generation strategy and things like that. You are an expert in digital marketing. So you've stacked your skills up now. Now you also want to consult your clients, providing ideas as to what can be done better. How can they increase their revenue? How can they increase their traffic and things like that? So you can do a consulting framework or a consulting strategy and start earning money through your consulting skills as well. And this is one of the top paid skill, by the way. So of course, this is done only when you have gained expertise over the other skills that I've just mentioned previously. But once you are familiar with all the three skills, and then you can stack it up and then start providing your consulting service as well, right? The fifth skill is, I believe this is the integrator of all the skills, right? You might be good at digital marketing, you might be good at copywriting, you might be a good YouTuber, you might be good at consulting, but if you do not have this skill, which I call it as high ticket closing skill, if you do not know how to connect with your audience, you do not know your customer, you do not know what sort of questions you need to ask your customer, how you need to persuade them, how you need to connect with them, then I think you're missing something bigger here, right? And that's where high ticket closing comes into picture. This is one of the top skill that anybody should learn, and it is definitely going to be an investment in their skill and in themselves in the long term, right? So these are the top 5 skills. I definitely believe it is going to be helping you earn the money that you want to achieve, the money that you want to earn, and also give you a nice lifestyle. Overall, the core of it is communication. Communication is wealth, right? So you need to be very good at improvising your communication skills. The more you improve on your communication, the more effective you're going to be at communicating. And if you are able to connect and persuade, then I think you've achieved the highest skill that anybody could get in this era, right? So focus on these skills and let me know which skill you mostly resonate with, and share your comment below. Thank you.